Hey everybody, welcome back to my den. I want to apologize, I haven't put out a whole lot in the last week and a half. I've been really busy. I tore the carpet out of my room and put down wood pergo flooring. It is not yet back together as far as everything in the room, but we got 2.5 days until Halloween. And then I also have the uh, Four Horsemen have Oktoberfest due at the end of this month. So I've got to do that too. So I've got 2.5 days to make both sets of vehicles. So today we're going to do two for the Halloween series 2025. Stay with me. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Get these drilled apart and get them over to the regurgitation juice, etc. So we can actually get some stuff done today. Hopefully these won't take very long. I've already got an idea planned out for them. I think it'll be just fine. If I don't run into any gremlins inside. As always, shielded drilling is our friend. Put that on drill instead of screw. There we go. A little more. There we are. There's that one. Now this one the glass was broken on, so I do have a replacement glass for it. So yeah, that's junk. Go ahead and toss these in our zip degreaser here. So we better file that one flat before we take it over to the drill press so we can make sure we stay centered. Well, how's this one looking? Not too bad, but we'll go ahead and take it down a notch. Get our center punch out. And look. Yeah, it's a little off center there, Jim. Damn it, Gargoyle. There we go. That should do it. Put another drop of oil on each, and I'm going to head over to the drill press. Be back momentarily. Alright, I'm back. Let's go ahead and toss a screw in each of these so that the helping hands can get a better grip on them so they can get stripped and painted. Alright, it's off to regurgitation juice. See you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I cut the wheels off because I decided I'm going to replace those. Let's go ahead and get these bases cleaned up. That one's throwing wire everywhere. Let's go ahead and change that back before we get to the second one. And I'm going to put my own eye out. I'm just kidding, I'm wearing glasses. Always wear your safety equipment. As you can see, they're all over the place here. They're also all over my shirt and my face and everything else. So yeah, it was getting dangerous. You can see how they're pulling out the one side. That thing's hot. And they're nice and shiny. Set those to the side and we're going to head off to paint. back. Let's throw a couple of decals on these to dress them up just a hair. Give them a Halloween theme of some sort. Call that one Gunslinger. I wanted to make a thing for the side that said Gunslinger on it, but I didn't really have time. Alright, so there's that one. And of course, we gotta have a gargoyle themed one, right? I mean, after all, that is my name. Notice I didn't put water on the other one either. That's why I couldn't move that first one very much. My fault. See what happens when you get in too much of a hurry? There we are. You take and put these in the dehydrator to get any water bubbles or anything out from underneath them and dry it out. And then we'll put a final coat of clear on them and come back in reassembly and do the reveal. Stay tuned, because I got a surprise in the reveal. And here we have the Oktoberfest builds. Had a little fun with this one, obviously. The one with the two cars looks like somebody drunk put it together, but, you know, it's okay. I wanted to pay homage to our moonshiners out there. I know there's still some somewhere. And then, of course, we got the old paddy wagon without the top. Instead, it's got a beer barrel keg on the back of it with a spout. You can just pour right up and have your own little party. And then, of course, this is the one that I did for D.I.B.S for their Oktoberfest build with the Jack Daniel's Tennessee Apple. And now that I got all these done early, I think I have time for one more painted pink. So I'm going to try and get that done here within the next day or two and get it up. Anyway, that's all for this one, guys. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.